Hello dear viewers. Today I want to show you how to create a Dutch roof, or also called a roof vent, as you can see here. So you will create you will be able to create this roof vent in simple steps without having to split your roof. As you can see, this roof is not split. So you need just to drag a copy and etc as I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So welcome. If you like my video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I will need to close this. So don't save. I will go to this one and click on it. Okay, so I'll go to the plan view. So we are currently on home story. So I will go to ground floor story. So I need to create this roof vent here. So because this one is the entry and we have a lounge here, we need a lot of lighting. So I need to create that roof at this position and maybe at another one at this position. So let's begin. All I need is to drag a copy. So I'll move, drag a copy. I'll drag a copy there. So I will click and split this copy into single plane. So sorry for that interruption, guys. I wanted to first to create this roof very quickly for the sake of viewers who want to know also how I have created that roof. So I'll just click this second option, that is multiplane, and then click this first option, complex roof, and then I'll click from here. I will click. I need to start from here. So we need to quickly create this roof. Yes, in just the same way we create a polygon. Okay, very quickly we have created the roof, as you can see it here. So we need to create that roof vent here, which is our entrance at this position. So I'll go to the ground floor plan. I will drag a copy of this, drag a copy. Okay. Then can select this copy, then right click, split into single plane groups. So don't worry about this warning, split anyway. So you can see, although the roof is split into single plane roof, uh, these circles indicate that this roof has already been split into single plane roof, but uh, it is still grouped. So we need to freeze group, and to do that, you need to go to your keyboard and click, and you can add a text here, Alt G. Okay, so you need to click Alt G on your keyboard. So I will select this roof and click Alt G to freeze groups. So you can see now these are now single plane groups. So we need to create. I need to copy this roof here. So I will move. I will drag it here, or place somewhere there. Then I will activate my line tool. Then I will draw a line from this point. Then I will drag this line. I want my roof my roof vent, or my Dutch roof to be a size of about 1500. So I will drag this by 1500 move, drag a copy, I'll drag it by Shift T 1500. Then I can click on this roof and then click here, split. So I will click at the intersection between these two and then drag it holding Shift in my keyboard. So cancel. So I will click this. Let me repeat. Sorry. And then holding my Shift, drag it. And then I will select the portion that I want to split, which is the upper portion, which I want to split. Then I can click just continue. So you can see what I have just created. So I will go to this roof, click on it, and you can see I have a mid span here. So I will select this mid span. Sorry. Oops. So I need to select this mid span. And then there's a problem because of this wall here. I need to select this mid span and then change it to gable. So let me show you. Because you can see I'm selecting these. So I will need, maybe I can just drag it backward a bit. Yeah. And yeah, I need to select this midpoint. So I can even drag this backward a bit, move, drag it from here. Okay. So I just need to select the roof. Click here at this midspan. Then you can see now I have this option here. Now I will click here, custom plane setting, click there, and then change from pitched to gable, then okay. So now it is gabled. So now I can move this back to its original position. So was it somewhere there, right? Then this one also I can just drag it back to its original position. So let's see what we have just done. You can see what we have just created. So we have created a gable roof here. The next thing I'll need to do is to drag this here. Move by drag it to this position. So now let's do the 3D. So we will need to connect these two roofs. So I'll need to click here and there, right click, connect by solid element operations. Then I will need to go to, I will click here, this one, add it as an operator, and click this, add it as a target, subtract by upward extrusion, and execute. So you can see we have created our gable, our Dutch roof, or our roof vent. So you can see our roof vent we have just done. So you can do the same and create a roof vent in the other position by just copying, dragging a copy, and then repeating the same steps. So thanks guys. If you like this video, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, and I will update you. Thank you.